Okay, guys. Yo. Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Diving right in. Alright, we got the overall cryptocurrency market caps, and prices. We got charting we're going to rock out, checking the Twitter, pushing it, pumping it, and hopping on over to the tube so we can see right on in. Okay, guys. Let's do the rundown of the overall cryptocurrency market caps. Getting that out there. Alright, here we go. If you don't know, now you know. You're in the know. Cryptocurrency. We're sitting here on CoinMarketCap. The overall cryptocurrency market cap right now is 825 billion.2. 24-hour volume is 29.5 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 39.5. ETH dominance at 18.8. Bitcoin right now sitting at 16,951. $14.1 billion in volume. 24 hours, 0.71% up, 7 days, 2.2%. Ethereum sitting at 1,267, $4.8 billion in volume. Look at that. Bitcoin's market cap is at 326 billion. All right, you got USDT, $20.2 billion. Okay, so we got some movement on the markets today. On a Friday, 66 billion overall. USDC coin, 2.4 billion in movement, $43 billion market cap. BNB pulled up, stretching for 261. 443 million in volume, 1.3% up, 24 hours, 6.42% in 7 days, 41.8 billion market cap. XRP at 34 cents, $698 million in volume, 24 hours up 1.6%, and that gives you 0.5 for the 7 days. The Binance USD 5.2, a lot of move around there, 16.4 billion. Okay, when are we going to see that flip-flop? DOGE sitting in that number 8 spot right there at that 7 cents, so it's 7.2. Okay, almost 300 million in volume, up 1.4% in 24 hours. Then we have number 9, Cardano, okay, at 27 cents, $297 million in volume, 24 hours up 2.2%, and that's 13% on the 7 day. Number 10 right now, we're sitting at Polygon Matic at 80 cents, $227 million in volume, up 2.58%, 24 hours, 6.5% on the 7 days. And then we move on down. Solano sitting at number 14 spot, okay, 483 million in volume, 13.3 cents. And Litecoin, look at this, at number 12 spot, okay, I want to see the market cap, look at that, 5.4 billion. And then another one that, okay, Avalanche, 3.6 billion, looking for that market cap to move, because it did move 8%. And then we got some other big movers like ETC sitting at $20. Get your eyes on that. Big trades, big moves through Robinhood, pushing prices up. Major moves on the market. Alright. We hop into our charts. Let's go ahead and hit it. Alright. This is Bitcoin. I'm using Trader's Reality Indicator. It gives you everything that you need, all the different sessions of the day, your different moving averages, and I add the RSI onto that just to see how the flow is going. You got your moving averages, and you can see the different color boxes are the different sessions. So you got New York session, red box, Sydney session, okay, Tokyo, London, Hong Kong, and the break sessions when it moves. Alright, so on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, we were hitting that 800 EMA, we pulled back below the 50, hit the 200, and then we got that retrace, because you see the vector candle right here. We retraced completely back to that vector candle, and then we continued to the upside, bouncing off that 200 EMA. You can see we wicked out at yesterday's low near the M1 pivot zone, which is at the end of that last retrace and continuation to the upside. So on the 1 hour chart, we did hit that 200, and every time we did, we popped above that. That was the targets we were looking at for our trades. Right now we are up in the M3 pivot zone, okay, and we're sitting right at that 17K cap. Let's see if Bitcoin is going to break it, or are we going to pull back down to that 800. So this is what we're looking on smaller time frames, 16,900 even, and that's how we're rocking on the 1 hour. 4 hour, longer time frame, you can see that we're up over that 200 EMA. So what I'm looking for on the 4 hours is a hit and a retrace, you know, to the 200 and the 50 to keep turning up. RSI is not in the overbought territory yet, okay, so I'm expecting this to bounce off of this and either continue to the upside, but if it crosses over on a longer time frame, then we can actually pull back and hit the 50s. All right, overall daily, okay, you can see on the daily we are right below that 50 EMA. All right, we did wick out. We do have a pattern of higher lows, okay, from last week's low. The 5 EMA actually crossed over and it's heading to the upside, so we want to see this continuation. That 50 EMA is at that 17,100 level. Right now we're hitting heavy resistance at 17K, and this is on the daily. So what we're going to be paying attention to is, are we going to hit this and you know, tap that and then continue back to the downside? Well, because we do have that vector candle right here, retrace and then continue, or are we going to pull above it and tap to the upside? Okay, we have that liquidity sitting up there at 17.7. So if we do pull over that 17K, I would be expecting a move up towards that 17.7 number. Let me go ahead and pull this. RSI mid-range, yellow turning up. Okay. Rocking. Don't forget to stop by Twitter. Hit it. Get it. At J Strategies Trades for Radio. Mad love and respect on that one. This is overall for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at a couple others. We got Ethereum, BNB, XRP. Okay, so Ethereum, okay, so this is on the 1 hour. What's up? This is on the 1 hour, psychological levels. Okay, yep, 1 hour time frame. You can see for Ethereum that we ended up pulling up above that 50 EMA, and then we leveled out, which the 50 EMA actually pulled towards the price. And then we hit it. We almost hit that 200. Moving up right now above the daily open. Okay, New York popped this up. We pulled back. So let's see the on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1,255 right there. I would expect a retrace at some point, or a pull continuation to the upside. We did cross over here on the 1 hour. That's what I was looking at. And on the 4 hour, okay, we have this vector candle where this M0 pivot zone is. So that is what I'm watching to see if we pull back, because you can see that we pulled up with this green vector candle and then we retraced and we hit the 200, but now the 50 EMA is crossing over the 200 on the 4 hour. And we are at the top of the RSI, but we did pull back in here, so we're going to be watching that closely. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily for Ethereum. Alright. Yeah, quick shout out Squid Grow, man, chat's been lit. They've been on fire. They've been rocking. A lot of different stuff happening. We got videos that you could stop by and watch and chill. Shout outs. And hit it. Chat is lit. They got their D app. They got their LP staking, liquidity staking, and much more. All right. Okay. So on the daily for Ethereum, okay, we're above that 50 EMA. And then you can see that we doubled up on that. We hit that, so I'm going to be paying attention to this mid-range 50 EMA, which is really the 1,250 level. If we pull below that, I would be expecting the bottom of that vector candle to hit, which is at that 1,213, and that's the bottom of the vector candle on the daily. Here. And that's the bottom of the vector candle on the daily. For Ethereum, so that way we can see, what's happening over here. On the daily for Ethereum, okay, turned up. BNB. This is where we're paying attention to this. This is on the daily. Let's go down to the smaller time frame, to the 1 hour. And you can see on the 1 hour similar perspectives that I see happening here on these charts. BNB, big moves to the upside from that 246. Okay, our moving averages were riding flat, and then we hit the 800. I want to see the 50 cross over the 800 and continuing to the upside. We have this vector candle, which is above the daily open right here at 260, so we're at 261 right now. So that would be a interesting level to watch. All right, on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, don't forget to hop on over also to our Telegram page. We're looking to build up that new one much larger, so that way we can do it for the communities. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So shout out Squid Grow. Okay. Rocking it and getting it, and then also we are going to be pulling these pages out much more. To join it. And then also rocking to get more active over there. Okay, popping over to the chart, you can see Squid grow. Look at that, 14.8 million. This is the chart on the 1 hour, pulling up to the upside over here. Okay. And they have LP staking and much more on the BSC side of things. You can go ahead and follow that information. Always lit, always moderators, always people there to help direct you, and much more. Okay, so BNB, and this is on the 1 hour, and we are looking at this. This is extended. I wouldn't be looking for any crazy buy-ins at these points. All right, right now I'm just looking for quick scalps back to the retraces before the continuations to the upside. All right, 4 hour chart. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so we did pull up over that 200 EMA. We have a major vector candle right here that we're playing with, and let's see, the yellow definitely pulled up above the at the 200. Okay, so this is really what we're looking for on the extensions on the moving averages. And that's what I would be looking for on any kind of daily charts. Okay. So above the 200, closing out the next 4 hour candle above the daily open, hitting that RSI on the 4 hour is up into overbought territory. So we are looking for those retraces, quick scalp trades, and then continuations to the upside. On the daily, look at that, tap that 50 right on, and a pullback. So what I want to see is that next daily open, and where this is going to close. 264 is the 50 EMA on the daily, and it is turning up. But we do have this vector candle that you have to pay attention to. RSI mid-range. Okay, doesn't look like it's turning up. Let's see, where's our 200? Look at this. 200, it was going to cross to the downside, but hopefully we push that and don't have that cross on the daily. 287, so yeah, 300, which is a nice range. You can see on the dailies on this vector candle how it retraced, but we pulled below that. A lot of news out there. This is just rocking out with the charts here. Okay. Okay. XRP, this is a longer term look. We're flat out at 34. The 50 EMA is at 36. Alright. So I'm looking for movements here on XRP, but we're well below that range. And we actually were like pulling down from there. So yeah, I want to see us touch that 50 again and see if we pull back up above that. Alright. Dogecoin. Alright, this is Dogecoin on the daily. 50 below that 200, sitting right there at the 7 cents. Retrace completely on that move. Let me go look in the lower time frames because everybody is thinking that. Okay, yeah, let's see. Doge had a little bit of strength. This is on the 1 hour. Let's see where we're going. RSI a bit high. Okay, let's talk real quick. The S&P, as you can see, nice pull to the upside. Okay, so there was some strength in the markets. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Alright, we're sitting right down in that level. And DXY. Okay, this is on the daily. You see how it hit that 200 and pulled back, and then there's strength in the crypto markets. Okay, so you can definitely see that. Alright, the 10 years. Okay, big pullback. That's where we had strength in the market. Gold sitting right now, pulling towards the upside, heavy. Alright, cake, using PancakeSwap on BSC side. Some movement here on cake, pulling to the upside, so we want to definitely pay attention to this if you are staking and baking. Don't forget to stop by Twitter, guys. Jay's Strategies at Trades4Radio. Mad love and respect. Hit those Twitter feeds, hit those pages, rocking out. Go ahead and stop by. Hit those Telegram pages up. Go ahead and hit it, join it. Give me your P's and Q's. Let's grow it and get it. So there you go, guys. You had your overall cryptocurrency market cap. We talked some charting and we rocked out. That's just a Friday recap. You guys have a great weekend. We'll be rocking out. Let's go ahead and see what happens next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, biggest trading days. Get ready to rock out and wait for that news. Until the next time, guys. Mad love and respect. Okay? You were chilling with Jay's